Now we're going to recover the images that's in all photos which contain dust mark and patches. How we're going to remove it, remove dust mark and patches and renew the images. It's easy. I'm going to open the file and open. This is the image. I'm going to get it. Right. There are a set of dust mark and patches available in this image. First of all, I want to remove those dust mark and patches. What are the tools? That's simply spot healing brush tool. That's the most easiest one. Click on the spot healing brush tool and then you can change the size of the spot healing brush tool and simply click on the dust mark and patches. It takes some time because it should be work through the internet. After fix some area, then you can use the patch tool if you like. If you don't like the patch tool, simply again click again and again. You can remove all the dust mark and patches. I'm going to explain how to use the patch tool. It's again under the spot healing brush tool as a sub tool. Click on the patch tool and select the area which contains some patches. Then bring the mouse point center of the selected area, then move that selected area which is the area doesn't contain any patches. If you click, you can easily fix it, but there are some patches already available. Again, you can use the spot healing brush tool. I think that's more easy method to remove the patches. Give simply 1 or 2 clicks. Don't click some kind of eyes and buttons everywhere. If the tool is little bit larger, you can reduce the size of the tool. I think that's the better advice. Right, after fix all those things, and I'm going to add the color to this image. For this one, you can right click on the brush tool. You can get the color replacement tool. Get the color replacement tool and then select the most suitable brush pattern color to the coat. I think the blue colored one is better. Using the color palette and increase the size of the tool and try it, but it's not respond. What's the error? Any error? Let's check whether what's the error. Go to the image. And then you have to change. You have to do set of changes because simply it's not going to draw in, because the reason is some function in your color replacement tool. Right, I think there's a blend mode. This is only the online Photoshop, because if you're using the normal actual Photoshop, you have to change the color mode. In here we have to change the blend mode. It's not be hue, it should be color. Now you can do the drawings on the image. This is color replacement tool. Right. If it is want to reduce the brush size, you can zoom it. Again, color replacement tool. If you want to remove those things, you can easily remove those things. Change the foreground color as black. Simply click on this black and white buttons. You can quickly get the black and then draw on it again. Then you can remove those area. If you want to move the image, you can use the hand tool. Click on the hand tool and move the image again. Again, the color replacement tool. Selected color as a black. Then you can remove those things. Again, I get the blue color. Okay, and again I can draw it. Right, I think it's okay. Finally, you can add some colors, and okay, you can add the colors for the head, colors for the hair and the face also, using the color replacement tool. It's under the subtool of the brush tool. Okay, I'm going to tint the hair. I think it's better. Click on OK. Nice, and I think it's too much. Right, okay, and if you are a good color picker, you can select the most suitable color to the skin using the color replacement tool. Change it and draw it. I think it's not 100% correct, but it's 65% correct. Right, okay, that's better. Like this, you can add the colors to the black and white images, and you can fix the dust mark and patches. Simply I use two tools. One is the spot healing brush tool to recover the image. If you want to recover the large area, you can use the patch tool. Also, you want to add the colors to the black and white images, you can go to the color replacement tool. Please remember, you have to change the blend mode as color. Okay, do it in yourself.